that star there's one.
Stars.
That might
There's
be
one over here. There's
You
one
cannot see the
right
thing
over
with
here.
this
That's like the
camera.
horse
Plane. Wow. Imagine being up in those
Something
planes.
big like a star.
That is amazing.
Wow. Star, I don't see it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Imagine being in a plane and seeing it.
Look at that. Listen to the fire.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
You got a good video, Paul?
I am
You
now.
can't really take a picture of it.
Bless your heart.
It doesn't look good.
It's really hard. Wow, is that cool?
Is that something that we'll never see again probably in our lifetime?
2000.
That star up there is Jupiter, and the one over there, that's Venus. You can just see them.
right.
There are two planets that you can see.
Yeah.
It's dark. Look how dark it is.
And Venus is over there.
Ooh,
It's dark.
Chills.
It is dark. Look how dark it is. It's like
Paul, you get
nighttime.
a good picture of this?
Yeah.
That's an airplane up there. It's blinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can see the, the stream.
Wow.
That's pretty cool, Grandma.
This is so awesome. Zero on the glasses. Zero on here.
Bottom part of it.
You didn't see it with the glasses.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look how dark it is.
I know, Grandma. Don't get scared. Okay?
I'm not
Sunspot.
excited.
Sunspot.
I'm so excited.
There's a little red dot at the bottom.
Yeah.
Little red dot up there.
I see that.
Nice.
Is that starting to go?
It's a sun flare.
Starting to
Yeah,
break
it's a solar
through.
flare.
It's a solar flare. There's two of them.
Yeah. Can't see him through the glasses.
Here, look through that.
And I say, oh God, what can you say to us right now?
Oh yeah. I can
Tell
see
us
him
something.
moving through there.
What should we think of?
He's saying,
Starting to get a little bit light out.
I talked to a son-in-law in Indianapolis. He said it's already past them. It got real dark. Even the streetlights came on. And
There, it's
the
starting
temperature
back.
dropped.
Okay, you better put them back on.
Here it comes. Now that's the part you got to be
That
careful
was
of.
one of those pink dots we were looking
Right,
Yeah.
right